Okay, so this is another center of mass thing. We're going to use this equation. So x, and you have to memorize this equation. Remember that. X center of mass is m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3, right, divided by, whoa. All right, divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3, okay? So m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x2. This is the weighted average of these things. So let me just show you this. So we're going to go, here's our meter stick, right? Oh, that's such a good meter stick. Isn't that amazing how I can draw these things, right? It's 121 grams, right? And it's a uniform meter stick, right? So that's a code word for the center of gravity of that thing being the center, okay? So we have 121 grams at 50 centimeters, right? And then there's 12 at 7. So here's our 7. Let's say the 0 is over here and the 100 is over there, right? Okay, so it's a 12 grams at 7 centimeters. And then there's a 34 gram at the 23. It's a little bigger, right? A little heftier clamp, 34 grams. And that's going to be at, oh my God. There's a lot of clamps on here, man. I don't know if I can do this. We're going to have to add a M4, X4. This is like beyond. This is ausgezeichnet. All right, so let's see. 23 centimeters. And then there's 56 at the 98, right? So there's this big clamp, right? At the 98 centimeter mark. All right, I think we're ready. I am ready. First I need to make the, how does it do that? Okay, so let's see. I've got 12 times 7 plus 34 times 23. And then the meter stick we're going to say is 121 times 50. And then finally that big clamp, 56. I almost said something bad there. But this is YouTube. We can't say bad things out there. Okay, so let's see. 12 plus 34 plus 121 plus 56. And that'll be my X center of mass. All right, I'm going to do this. In fact, I'm going to go on my TI-84. I'm going to go alpha F1, enter. And now I got a fraction. So 12 times 7 plus 34 times 23 plus 121 times 50. So remember, the only tricky thing there is that you put the meter stick is at its center. Okay? And then I got to go plus 56 times 98. And then in the denominator, I got to add up all the masses, right? These are all the weights for the average. It gave me a fraction. Dang thing. Math 2, baby. 55.62. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so when I did this, I actually got a fraction. It was 12,404 over 223, right? Everybody knows that's the fraction, right? And then you just go hit the math button and then pick the second one, which is answer to decimal, and it gives you that. So this is where the center of mass is. Hope that helps.